Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by preparing both devices so the link works reliably. Plug a certified cable into the iPhone and laptop, unlock the phone, and tap Trust when prompted. This establishes the secure data channel. On Windows 11, make sure iTunes or the Apple Mobile Device Service driver is installed and up to date, and enable Bluetooth and Wi-Fi for media syncing and continuity-like features. Once done, Windows will recognize the device and list it under this PC or devices for the next steps. Next, you configure how content moves between devices. If you want photos, open Photos app, select Import then from a USB device. Windows will scan and let you pick items. For broader sync, install iCloud for Windows, sign in with your Apple ID, and enable Photos, iCloud Drive, or Mail so changes sync automatically. This uses cloud storage rather than direct transfer. If you need full backups or app file access, open iTunes, select your iPhone, and run Backup Now to create a local copy on the PC. Finish by verifying transfers and safely ejecting the iPhone to prevent corruption. Check Photos, iCloud Drive, or iTunes to confirm files arrived where you expect. If something breaks, don't panic. Try a different certified cable, restart both the phone and Windows 11 laptop, and check for OS updates. Make sure Apple Mobile Device Service is running. Open Device Manager, find the Apple USB driver, and reinstall it if Windows doesn't recognize the phone. That resolves most connectivity problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.